This is our list of top 10 laptop from leading brands like Apple, Lenovo, Asus, Dell, and more. If you've long been rummaging through the internet in a bid to get your hands on the best laptops from top manufacturers leading the space around the world, then Gadinsider is here to keep you in the loop like every other month. Since the market is flooding with countless and tempting options you can count on, it's unlikely you'll manage to grab the best one without reeling through the hectic hassle of exploring the market. Given that, following the tiresome assessment of thousands of options, we've come up with a narrowed down list. Regardless of you being in pursuit of a gaming beast, a powerful, easy-to-carry machine to look after everyday chores, a low-budget option, or a laptop that's the biggest backer when it comes to ensure you don't run out of backup in the crunch time. This list comprises the best laptops you should not miss on, as these cater to a range of needs and preferences. What makes this hassle more hectic is that you must consider several factors such as purpose, price, keyboard and trackpad, battery life, graphics, display, performance, portability, and build quality when buying a good laptop. So, to make things easier for you, we conducted a thorough evaluation whether these laptops come at par with the criteria of being the best or not. Best laptops to buy in 2024. Here is the list of best laptops to buy in 2024. Asus ZenBook 13 OLED for $1,759.43. Dell XPS 15 OLED for $1,099. Lenovo Chromebook Duet 3 $309. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 $1,179. Framework laptop $1,050. Acer Swift 5 $1,499. Asus ZenBook 14 Flip OLED $875. Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra $2,499.99. MacBook Pro 16-inch M1 $2,499.99. Asus ZenBook Duo 2024 $1,800.